filling in a hole there for something. So there's a massive hole under there, Mindy, and I worry about sinkholes around here.
Oh, girl, I do too around our place.
You know what's even more terrifying? Is there was a major sinkhole that opened up over on Horizon Ridge,
Yeah.
and they didn't tell the public. They didn't tell the people about it. They just let it go ahead and stay open for a little bit. And then when they finally covered the story on it, they tried saying that it was some kind of a pipe that burst and caused a sinkhole, but it was too big.
No, sinkholes.
It was too fucking big.
Damn, I didn't even think about that. Where you're at, from mining, all the unstableness.
Yep.
Yeah.
I do
And
worry
for
about
us,
sinkholes.
Next to our dumpster, we have a small sinkhole. It is a small, yes, next, I'll show you the next time.
So apparently they got enough money they can just leave their trucks running. Just sitting there running. The guy pulled it down here, parked it, and left it running, and then went back up there. Now it looks like they're filling in dirt on the sidewalk there now, too. Yeah, they're dumping dirt into the hole on the sidewalk, too. I wonder why they would have to be filling in a big hole on the sidewalk, too. Yeah, I'm watching y'all. Any of y'all that want to stand around leaning on a shovel, or just standing around watching me, watching you, you bet. It's getting documented. Yeah, that's up on the sidewalk.